3 years ago, I bought this LBZ Duramax with one mission: to build the truck I've always dreamed of and to prove to myself that I could do it. I didn't have a big shop, a crew, or any big sponsors backing me, just a small garage, a set of tools, and a vision that felt bigger than I was capable of at the time. There were nights I wanted to quit, times when parts didn't fit, when money ran short, and when it felt like I was taking one step forward and two steps back. But every time I hit a wall, I reminded myself why I started. This wasn't just about building a truck. It was about proving that with enough grit, patience, and heart, you can turn any idea into something real. Every bolt, every weld, every late night and long weekend, with more busted knuckles than I can count, it all led to this moment. Standing in front of what was once a dream, sitting on 4 worn-out tires, I can finally say, we did it. So we made it down to Vegas. We dropped the truck off last night to get the detailing done. I ran over to go get some decals made this morning, so we're just heading back to where we dropped the truck off last night. We're gonna finish wrapping up the decals, and then we're gonna be taking it over to the convention center and dropping it off in the TIS booth. All right, guys, so we made it to SEMA 2025. We just got the truck parked up in the TIS booth. As you can see behind me, there's a lot going on. So let's go check out the show. Alright guys, so we found another cat eye here, but this one's a little bit different and a little bit special. And as you can see under the hood, we've got an L5P. I'm not sure how this guy managed to do this, but very impressive and very, very cool. Also, the paint on this truck is unreal. Very clean, well built, all around. I am This is one of my favorite builds. I've been watching Danny build this for quite a while now, and he never disappoints with any of them. As you can see, he kind of followed the same pattern as the F100 last year with that camo. All the little details, even the headlight cross member there. This is another proper build. Like, this is probably on my bucket list of dream builds. First gen 67 to 69 Camaro. This guy did a great job with the interior. What do you guys think? Should we look at doing one of these for our next build? Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap on the SEMA 2025 and the reveal of the 07 LBZ Duramax. Once again, I want to thank TIS and Cal's Customs for having me be a part of the TIS team and having me posted up in the TIS booth here at SEMA 2025.